How do I expire posts in WordPress automatically? WordPress doesn't include automatic post expiration by default, but Password Protect WordPress Pro gives you 4 methods to automatically delete, hide, or expire posts by date, usage limit, cookie duration, or schedule. Here's the step-by-step guide. First, install both PPWP Lite and Pro on your WordPress site. Before a post can expire, it must be password protected. To do so, in the dashboard, go to All Posts, select the post you want to protect, and click Password Protect. A pop-up will appear. Click Password Protect this page. PPWP automatically generates a password. Click the Copy Password button to copy it. To verify it's working, click View Post and select Open Link in Incognito window. The password form appears, confirming protection is active. Paste the password and press Enter to view the content. Method 1. Expire posts by usage limit, perfect for limited downloads. In the Posts list, click Manage Passwords for the protected post. A pop-up will appear with the password settings. Click the Edit icon. In the Usage Limit column, enter the number of allowed uses. Click Save. Notice the usage limit now shows 2 attempts. Then copy the password. Click View Post and select Open Link in Incognito window. The password form appears. Paste the password and press Enter to access the content. After the 2 attempts, on the 3rd one, you'll get the password error message. Back in the dashboard, go back to Manage Passwords. The pop-up now shows Expired in the Status column. Once the limit is reached, the password automatically expires and the post becomes inaccessible. Method 2. Schedule post expiration by specific date or time. In the Posts list, click Manage Passwords for the protected post. A pop-up will appear with the password settings. Click the Edit icon. In the Password Expiry column, click Select Date. A calendar will appear. Choose your expiration date. Click Save. Notice the Password Expiry column now displays the scheduled date and time. The password will automatically expire at the scheduled moment, perfect for flash sales, limited time promotions, or event registrations. Method 3. Control user access duration with cookie expiration. In the sidebar, go to Password Protect WordPress and click Settings. Under the General tab, locate the Cookie Expiration Time section. Enter your desired duration. You can choose days, hours, minutes, or seconds. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, the cookie will expire and users must re-enter the password to regain access. Method 4. Expire partial content with on-off scheduling. This method protects specific sections within a post using the PPWP shortcode with scheduling attributes. Notice that the content of this post is currently visible without any protection. The limited time offer appears publicly on the page. Open it in the WordPress editor. Insert a shortcode block and add the plugin shortcode with passwords, on and off attributes. The on attribute sets when content becomes accessible. The off attribute sets when content expires. Use this date-time format. Then add your protected content between the opening and closing shortcode PPWP tags. Set the on and off attributes. Then click Save to update the post. Copy the password. Now, right-click the View Post option and select Open Link in Incognito window. The page displays restricted content with a password form. Enter the password and click Enter. The protected content is now visible with the limited time offer and promotional text. This method is ideal for time-sensitive announcements, discount codes, flash sales, or promotional sections inside longer articles. So what's the best way to expire posts in WordPress automatically? Install Password Protect WordPress Pro. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials to secure your content.